morning, Thomas and Twitter Cheetahs. Happy Monday to you. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. We have lots of exciting things going on this week. First of all, today is Spring Picture Day. What a beautiful day for Spring Picture Day. So when you get called up, they're going to be taking some group shots today, as well as spring pictures that will be housed in the gym. So listen for your schedule. The second thing I want to tell you is that this week is the final week before we are off to spring break, which much needed and deserved break for all of us to spend time with our families and our friends and enjoy the amazing sunshine that we've had. But let me give you a couple of reminders. I need you to really, really be smart and making wise choices this week before spring break. We all want to get to spring break. We want to enjoy it. We don't want to have consequences. We certainly don't want to have to do any think sheets this week. So I want you, even though the weather is a little bit warmer and it's a little bit longer, the daylight, I want you to use wise choices. Be really mindful of the way that you're using your words and your actions so that we can all go into spring break with ease, okay, and excitement. All right, on to our first in math announcements. I want to, first of all, before I go over the winners, which I know we're very excited about, I want to just go over some really amazing stats, okay? Improvements that we've made. So I'm just going to give a couple of shout outs to some sections, some classes that just jumped milestones in their first in math sticker count. Mrs. Nagowski, 2 weeks ago, her class was at 3,206. They jumped to 12,861. It's fantastic. Mrs. Nagowski's class, way to go. Also, I wanted to talk about Mrs. Alsher's class. They went from 3,889 to 13,043. What an amazing jump. Huge leaps. Mrs. O'Neill's class, they went from 4,200 to 11,728. And another shout out, Mrs. Crawford's class, they were at 11,197 2 weeks ago. And then the last week they were at 15,504 stickers. So those are just amazing jumps that we've made that I'm really excited about. Here's the other thing that I asked you guys to compete. And I have to get my picture out because it's so amazing. I asked you guys to see if there was a chance that we could beat the other elementary schools. So today I want to let you know that out of our school district, our elementary schools, Maple Glen is in fourth place. Fort Washington is in third place. Second place went to Jarrowtown Elementary School. That means Thomas Fitzwater Cheetahs, you are number one in the district as of today. Congratulations. You took the challenge and you rose to it. In the state of Pennsylvania, let me just tell our rankings right now. Out of top 10, we are number 6. And all the other elementary schools are behind us. So way to go. I'm so proud of you. You meet every challenge that I give you. You rise to the occasion. So proud of you. Here's another amazing stat that I want you to think about in your mind with these math numbers. We have solved 6,909,870 problems as a school. So it's actually an increase since we started from up to 442,497 problems. I don't know that anyone can beat those numbers, so I'm so proud of you. Everybody give yourself a big hug. Hug. Okay, I know that you are waiting for who won the first in math ice cream party. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and give it to you. I know this is very exciting. So these ice cream parties will be on Friday. And your teachers will organize it with your room parents. But ice cream party winners, can I join all of your parties, please? Please. I love ice cream. Okay, here we go. In kindergarten, the winner of the first in math Sunday party is KB, Mrs. Joyce's class, with 25 total points. Way to go, KB. Yay! All right. In first grade, our ice cream party winners are going to go to, with 16 points, it's very close, by the way, Mrs. Knitmeyer's class. Yay, Mrs. Knitmeyer's class. You get to shove your face with ice cream. Yes. Okay, on to second grade, with 24 total points. the class that's going to win the ice cream party is Mrs. Griffin's class. Yay, Mrs. Griffin's class. Way to go. Okay. Third grade. It was so close. Third grade. I was like holding my breath to see who was going to win. The first in math, ice cream sundae party. 1 point difference between the first and second place. 1 point. The winner of the first in math ice cream sundae party for third grade is Mrs. Crawford's class. Yay! They really did a huge jump. Way to go. Congratulations. Mrs. Lynch's class, only 1 point away. How amazing. In fourth grade with 20 points. Again, only 1 point away. 1 point away. The class that won the ice cream party for fourth grade is Mrs. Gallen's class. Mrs. Gallen's class. Way to go, Mrs. Gallen's class. And then finally for fifth grade, again, I was holding my breath with 32 points. Second place, not far behind. Second place, be very, very proud of yourselves. You really, really did an amazing job. But the first in math ice cream sundae party for fifth grade is Mr. Dugan's class, 5B. Way to go. Way to go. Way to hold it out, 5B. I was really scared for you. All right, so congratulations to all our first in math ice cream sundae party. Remember, this Friday also is our jump-a-thon, 9:30 to 10:30. Can't wait to see everybody there. Make sure you give me a high five today, hug, whatever you'd like to do, pound. I'll see you around the building. Have a great week, great Monday. Bye, everybody.